Hi, I'm Britton Williams, NCPHA's President-elect, which means I've had the honor of planning the Fall Educational Conference for 2017. This year's conference theme is Public Health Today equals a Healthy Tomorrow. Today, we will be giving you a sneak preview of the conference we have planned for you this year. I'm going to highlight some of the great events and speakers we have lined up for you. Also, many of the sections will be sharing with you some of the highlights of the sessions and activities they have planned for the conference as well. NCPHA's Fall Educational Conference will be held September 27th through 29th in Asheville, North Carolina at the Crown Plaza Hotel and Golf Resort. As you can see, this is a beautiful resort and the perfect location for our conference. This year, there are 2 pre-conference trainings available for those that are interested in accreditation or HIPAA. Both trainings will be held on September 26th, which is Tuesday. There is an additional registration fee for the trainings. More information and registration links are available on NCPHA's website. To kick off the conference on Wednesday morning, September 27th, we have invited Dr. Magda Peck to be our keynote speaker. Keeping in line with NCPHA's Healthy Baby Initiative, Dr. Peck will be presenting as a recognized national leader in women's and children's health, whose expertise is sought around the country for effective solutions. Her presentation is titled, "For All Our Babies, Now and Next." Another headliner for the conference is always the Wood Lecture on Friday morning, September 29th. This year, we have invited Mike Goodwin to present on leadership and laughter. Mike is a nationally known speaker who provides hilarious, engaging, and professional comedy. His presentation will encourage the use of appropriate uses of humor in the workplace and examine ways in which humor can help boost morale and decrease stress. I am extremely excited that this year NCPHA is offering a poverty simulation called Pinched for conference attendees. The simulations will be conducted by Manna Food Bank and sponsored by the Wellness and Prevention section. Pinched is a guided experience that exposes participants to some of the challenges faced by those living in poverty. During the simulation, participants will play the role of an individual whose family lives in poverty, where they must work together to take care of life's daily responsibilities and provide basic necessities like food, shelter, and care. The simulation is followed by a guided discussion where participants have a chance to reflect on their experience. So why does Manna Food Bank do these simulations? Much of North Carolina's economic recovery has been much slower than the rest of the country. Pinched is designed to create a broader awareness of the realities of life in poverty and help participants recognize and discuss the potential for change within their local communities. The simulations are free for conference attendees. However, you must register in advance as space is limited. The simulations will be offered at 2 different times on Wednesday, September 27th. This is sure to be a unique experience that you don't want to miss. This year, we'll host a public health fun walk called the Asheville Healthy Hilly Hike. The proceeds from the hike benefit the NCPHA Scholarship Endowment, which has distributed more than $10,000 in the last 10 years to graduate students, undergraduate students, associate students, and children of members. If you register by September 8th at the rate of just $10, we guarantee you'll get a t-shirt with this cool logo. Registrations after September 8th will be $15 with no guarantee of a t-shirt, so don't wait. The hike takes place on Wednesday, September 27th from 5:30 to 6:30 at Yesterday's Spaces, which is also the location of the Snowden barbecue dinner that same evening. Free shuttle service from the Crown Plaza Hotel will begin at 5 p.m. To register for the hike, visit the Fall Conference page on NCPHA's website. Following the hike will be a fun barbecue dinner with entertainment sponsored by the Snowden Company. This event will also take place at Yesterday's Spaces. Again, free shuttle service to and from the hotel will be provided, so come hungry and plan to have some fun. On Thursday evening, September 28th, from 6 to 7 p.m., make plans to visit the many incredible poster presentations during the reception that is held just prior to the awards dinner. The poster presentations provide an opportunity for students and professionals to showcase their research and hard work. Don't forget to visit the silent auction tables during the reception as well. There are always lots of great items to bid on, so bid early and bid often because the competition is known to be fierce. Following the poster presentations and reception is the annual awards dinner. The awards dinner is NCPHA's opportunity to recognize many of its deserving members and partners. This year, NCPHA will also be announcing the first class of the Emerging Leaders Program, which is NCPHA's brand new leadership development program. Following dinner and the awards presentation, entertainment will be provided by a DJ, so get your dancing shoes ready. Now that I've covered many of the main events and conference highlights, I'll now turn it over to the sections to share a preview of the great sessions and activities they have lined up as well. This slide shows you all of the sections within NCPHA that will be offering sessions at the conference. You can find more information regarding all conference sessions within the full conference agenda posted on the NCPHA website. Let's start with the Young Professionals group. Shawnee Hare will be sharing what they have planned for the conference this year.
Hello, thank you. Yes, I'm with the Public Health Young Professionals group, and I would like to discuss what we're going to be doing for the Baby Supplies Drive. In support of NCPHA's Healthy Baby Initiative and the Manna Food Bank, who is also setting up the poverty simulation, the Young Professionals will help to collect baby donations. Donations will be accepted at the Young Professionals table at the conference. Look for the blue tablecloth close to the registration table. Pending logistics, cash donations will also be accepted. But until then, make sure you bring your diapers, pull-ups, and wipes, which are the most needed items and will be considered high value for raffle entry. We ask that all donors make sure you bring all of your items to that table because we want to make sure we give you a sticker. All donors will receive a sticker provided by Manna Food Bank just to recognize all that are involved. Donations of at least one high-need item will give a donor a raffle entry for a gift card. Once again, high-need or high-value items, which Manna includes diapers, pull-ups, and wipes. Donors will be recognized during the conference via social media shout-outs. NCPHA Communications Committee will be tweeting and sharing on Facebook all the people who donated. So please follow Young Professionals of the North Carolina Public Health Association and share your posts about the drive. You can find us on Twitter at YPNCPHA or on Facebook at YPNCPHA. Thank you.
Up next, we'll hear from Daniel Ortiz representing the Environmental Health section.
The Environmental Health section has lined up a great selection of presenters with some interesting topics this year. We have a presentation on pools, tattoos, and piercings. Environmental Health in the Republic of Moldova. We have a lead expert to give us information on lead and spices and folk art. That's always a hot topic. We'll have a legislation and branch update from Larry Michaels with the State Environmental Health section. Also, we will have Zika update from the mosquito survey that was recently conducted, and that will be done by Dr. Brian Bird with Western Carolina University. We have the FDA will be coming to give us a foodborne illness update and risk factor studies, which are going on throughout North Carolina at selected counties. And we'll be having an indoor air quality and environmental health hazards in the home presentation. This is always another hot topic, and that will be joint with several other sections. And get ready for the first annual cornhole contest. So get your throwing arms ready. This should be a great event. And don't forget about your raffle tickets and your chance to win 2 $500 prizes. See one of the environmental health officers if you'd like a ticket. They're only $10 a piece.
Now we'll hear from Bill Cleve representing Epi Stats and Lab section.
The epidemiology, laboratory, and statistics section merged 2 years ago. We like to cover all the big issues, public health issues, and we really like to discuss the issues and solutions when we get together at the meeting. Our first meeting, the next slide, is Fire on the Mountain, flooding everywhere. Wow, was 2016 a bad year? We have an incredible speaker, Mark Howell, who is guaranteed to be entertaining, an award-winning speaker. Next. We have Dr. Kristen Long talking about biosafety in your health department. Dr. Kristen Long is with the State Health Department and is a great asset to all of North Carolina. Next, we have things that go bump in healthcare. We have 2 speakers from State Epidemiology's SHARPS program, Heather Dublinsis and Jennifer McFarquhar. I have to brag on Jennifer. Tom Frieden, the former director of CDC, said that he was most scared when he first saw Ebola in Nigeria. Jennifer was one of the first Americans in Nigeria helping them to stop Ebola in that country. Heather and Jennifer are going to be talking about outbreaks right here in North Carolina, so we'd love for you to join us. Thank you.
Now we'll hear from Jennifer Lindsay representing the nursing section.
The NCPHA nursing section has a dynamic agenda this year. We are offering the staples that a lot of members depend on, such as legal updates with Jill Moore and Chris Hoke, updates from Phyllis Rocco, as well as some new topics that are trending currently. The nursing section agenda for Thursday, September 28th is going to be a great one. Here are some highlights. To go along with the NCPHA's Healthy Babies Focus, Erin Meyer from Gaston Family Health Services will present information about a medication-assisted therapy program that is offered for opioid-addicted pregnant women. The nursing section, in conjunction with the public health leadership section, is also hosting public health talks, similar to TED Talks, featuring telemedicine, the syringe exchange program, exercises medicine, and the world's best implementation model to drive change. This is going to be a day full of dynamic presenters that you don't want to miss. Plus, bring some cash to support nursing scholarships through participation in the 50/50 raffle. We look forward to seeing you at the conference.
Now we'll hear from both Anna and Kelsey representing the Wellness and Prevention section.
The Wellness and Prevention section brings together all persons interested in public health education, including official agencies, voluntary agencies, schools, colleges, etc., for the purpose of fostering and stimulating joint planning among these agencies. Those in the field of health education, sex education, preparedness, public information, etc., are invited to join this section. Now, Kelsey is going to talk to us a little bit about the sessions that we're going to have.
The Wellness and Prevention section is excited to have the following sessions this year. Internship collaboration, where collaborations between the academic community and local health departments will be discussed and encouraged. Collaborative development and evaluation of web-based tools to address heat-related illness in North Carolina. This will discuss the value of web-based tools and outcomes of these tools to reduce and prevent health-related illness. It's okay to be the angry Black woman, confronting the master narrative of sexual health research. The narratives of Black female researchers in graduate school will explore the studies and stories of Black female researchers and share their experiences as graduate students. Leveraging partnerships. Creating change through community coalitions in North Carolina will share components needed for successful partnerships. This session will also include a panel discussion where subject matter experts share challenges, ideas, and resources. Data visualization. Clear graphs, full data, can't lose, will assist participants in designing the appropriate graphs and charts for the data being presented. Work Well NC, supporting worksite wellness in communities across NC. Information on this free evidence-based worksite wellness program will be shared. Also, a business meeting will be held on Thursday morning. At this time, we will elect officers and present awards. Lastly, in partnership with the Environmental Health and Social Work sections, the Indoor Air Quality, lead, asthma, policies, and educational tools that address environmental health hazards and home session will educate us on current policies and tools that aim to keep our air safe.
Up next, we'll hear from Wendy Seymour, who's representing the Dental Health section.
The Dental Health section of NCPHA is offering a full-day program to assist health department dental clinics in providing care while becoming financially sustainable. This program is ideal because the current healthcare delivery system in North Carolina, both private and public pay, is experiencing major transformation. Next slide. Even with the uncertainty of healthcare transformation, the fact is North Carolina's health department's dental clinics can improve access, provide quality care, and become sustainable. Safety Net Solutions is an industry leader in guiding programs through the improvement process to assist them in achieving these goals. Their philosophy is to work collaboratively with administrators, dental directors, and program staff to develop strategies that are realistic and achievable. They also encourage collaboration among Safety Net clinics through their online learning center, a place where Safety Net dental providers can meet to connect, learn, and discuss solutions. This day-long program has been developed in response to a questionnaire sent to solicit input specifically for the health department's dental teams and is designed for dental directors, office managers, and the dental providers themselves, staff dentists, hygienists, and assistants to address obstacles to providing dental care in their community. The morning offers a two-part program on planning for success, each of which has a team exercise to apply the lessons learned. These sessions will cover not only production goals, but financial goals as well. The afternoon sessions will focus on the issues particular to dental clinic cultures, such as emergencies, scheduling, and staffing. The Dental Health section of NCPHA wants dental teams to understand their business needs and plan for health department clinic sustainability. The Dental Health section wants collaboration within each health department's dental clinic as well as among all our dental clinics. This day has been designed with your best interest in mind.
Up next, we'll hear from Jerry Matson, representing the Women's and Children's Health section.
This is Jerry Matson with the Women's and Children's Health section, and wanted to talk with you about our program during this upcoming conference. And we are co-sponsoring, you already heard from the nursing section, the legislative update, but the two other sessions we're going to be talking about are one about strengthening father engagement, and you can see here on the slide, we have two folks who are going to be presenting. Dr. David Hill, who's a pediatrician located in Wilmington, North Carolina. He also has authored a book called Dad to Dad, Parenting Like a Pro. And we also have someone from Public Health, the Division of Public Health at the State Health Department with our Maternal Infant Early Childhood Home Visiting Program. He's a consultant, Mr. Michael Taylor. And a focus for our section is on father engagement. And you can see we're going to be talking about the benefits of relationships and engagement of fathers with their children, sharing some specific strategies, and then also what are some resources to help support fathers across North Carolina. And then the second session is going to be an immunization update that will be provided by the North Carolina Division of Public Health Immunization Branch. Our branch head for the state is Wendy Holmes, and she will be presenting with Beth Meadows, who is the Field Services Unit Manager. And immunizations are probably our number one success in public health. We'll be talking about some vaccine successes and challenges, some changes that are in the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices and in the NCIR, and then how to best use the North Carolina Immunization Registry and working with the regional immunization consultants. So I think these sessions will be very helpful to health departments and others. And we will also have the raffle, which we typically have to raise money for our annual scholarship at the conference as well. So thank you.
Now let's hear from Deborah Young, representing the FAMI section. Deborah?
Hello. The FAMI section of NCPHA focuses on the finance, administration, management support, and information technology support characteristics of public health. Our section provides its members an opportunity to network with others throughout the state who are involved with financial reporting, budgeting, computer technology, supervision, clerical support, billing, and all other aspects of administrative support. Our 2017 session speakers provide both practical business information as well as motivational inspiration for those who are the backbone of any public health agency. Our section membership is open to anyone who would like to participate. Our Wednesday afternoon sessions will give you updates regarding billing requirements and also enable you to discover new resources to maximize the amounts you receive for special services provided. On Thursday, our session will teach participants to play to one another's strengths, how to use creative thinking techniques to develop new ideas, and explore differences with curiosity. It will enable you to expand your thinking and discover ways to drive improved processes, generate new methods for delivering services, and optimize your team's performance. We must understand, appreciate, and value the differences between people and capitalize on these differences rather than seeing them as sources of conflict. This is the way you work smarter, not harder. Please remember to visit our family section raffle table again this year. We will have a handmade quilt, wreaths, gift baskets, and other items. Thank you.
Now we'll hear from Yolanda Massey, representing the social work section.
This is Yolanda Massey. The social work section will be offering two very powerful sessions. One will be conflict resolution, and the title of that session is Confidence in Conflict. We will discuss ways to solve conflict in the workplace. Everybody can attend, and you'll learn great ways to dissolve conflict between coworkers, supervisors, and other people in the workplace. Next slide. Our second session will offer leadership information, leadership in public health social work. A lot of social workers don't know where the next move is in social work and what they can do in public health. So we'll focus on identifying and strengthening ways public health social workers can move up the leadership chain. And then how do you go from a care manager to a management position? Is the ceiling the limit for me as a public health social worker? All of these questions will be answered in this session. Our last question is, who can mentor me? We'll use this session to identify mentors within our section that can possibly lead us up the management chain and help us identify our strengths and weaknesses as public health social workers. We invite you all to attend any session that you think will best help you in your day-to-day functions in public health. Additionally, we will have a silent auction and we will be selling t-shirts. So please stop by and enjoy one of our sessions. Thank you.
As you can clearly see, there is a lot of great conference sessions planned this year, and you're really going to have a difficult time choosing which session you want to attend. If you need continuing education credits or contact hours, you're in luck. Environmental health, nursing, and social work will all offer CEUs or contact hours for their sessions. Additionally, many sessions across various sections will be offering CHES and MCHES credits. The final conference agenda will indicate which sessions are eligible to earn CHES and MCHES credits. If you haven't registered for the conference yet, what are you waiting for? It is sure to be the best yet. You can visit NCPHA's website for registration information. I will tell you that the hotel room block at the Crown Plaza is already full. So we have secured an additional block of rooms at the Sheraton Four Points, which is approximately 5 minutes from the Crown Plaza. Get your room now before this room block sells out too. Hotel information can be found on the NCPHA website. To learn more about things to do, places to eat, and iconic views, visit exploreasheville.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in Asheville.